Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Wasim. I am from West Champaran, Bihar. I am a BTech Computer Science graduate. I came to know about eVision TechnoServe through one of my friend, and based on his recommendation, I joined 45 days job internship program. My experience with eVision has been excellent. It covers all the IT infrastructure, service desk concept that require a career in IT industry. All the trainers were highly knowledgeable, supportive, and always ready to clear the doubts. Mentioning one name will be unfair for the others. One of the valuable aspects of eVision is their interview preparation and placement support. And because of that, I got placed in my very first interview with Teams Computer with a package of 3 LPA. This reflects the quality of training and placement support the eVision is providing. I would like to share my sincere gratitude towards Priya ma'am, Sunita ma'am, and the most importantly Ganesh sir for his valuable session. I highly recommend eVision TechnoServe to freshers and job seekers for their career in IT industry. Last but not least, I would like to thank eVision for their valuable support and guidance throughout this process. Thank you.